Happy New Year, my amazing moments in the house. Welcome to 26. I hope you enjoyed your holidays. After the holiday, you need a beautiful hairstyle for your princess to start school. That is why today I'm going to show you step by step on how to create this back to school hairstyle for your child. Let's get to it. First thing first, my darling mom, we need to moisturize the hair. Like I always say, moisturizing the hair is always a #1 priority. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and section side of the hair, and this is the hair control I am using to clear the parts. So you can do the one you have. So here, this place, I'm going to just do cornrow. First, I do a straight one, and second one, that's when I'm going to be zigzagging it, and the other part I'm just going to go ahead and just make it braid. I just want to explain it, so I will leave you to enjoy the video. And I hope you learn this hairstyle, and I hope your child love it, and I hope you also learn how to do it and you like it. One thing I will tell you before I leave, please, as you are making hair, don't make your child hair when the hair is dry. Always make sure the hair is well moisturized, and if you have hair cream, hair oil, everything, apply on it before you start making your daughter's hair, most especially if the hair is fresh me. I mean, if the hair has never been relaxed before, it's a good idea to always moisturize the hair before you do it. As you are doing it, if the hair is dried, you can always apply a moisturizer as you are making the hair. It's very important to protect the hair. And if it's your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Susan. I'm a mom of 4 girls, and what we do here is how to moisturize our hair, how to treat our hair, and also how I style my kids' hair. I am making my children's hair in this channel. So this channel is more of kids hairstyle. So if you're looking for a new hairstyle, beautiful hairstyle for your child, you are in the right place. Just subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, so YouTube will notify you whenever I drop a new video. And also don't forget to like this video and share to your friends and family. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate you all, both my new and my old subscribers. So I'm going to let you look the hair and understand it, and I hope you learn this hairstyle. Don't forget, if you don't know how to do it, if you're confused, pause the video, backward it, and replay it again. I bet you are going to know how to do it. So that is why the way I'm sectioning the hair, I made it very easy for you to follow. See, the way I'm doing it now is very easy. I know sometimes it might feel hard when you are learning how to do it. Remember, me that know how to do it now, I started bit by bit, and now I am good in it. So when you put more effort, trust me, you are going to be good at it. And for those who are also wishing to have a child, that they will be able to make their child hair, I pray may God bless you with the fruit of the womb. I pray may God bless your womb, may your womb be fruitful. Or if you have a male child, you are praying for female, don't worry, you are going to have, and that female child is going to have much hair, so you can be able to style any hairstyle you want for your child. So I'm going to leave you now to wash and to just concentrate, and so you can learn it. And yeah, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please, I want you to comment in this video, and if there's any hairstyle you want me to create next, just let me know and I'm going to create it. All right, thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now. Lest I forget, I know I said bye, but I just want to quickly explain this place. You see what I did right here? I put just 1 strand of wool to cross the hair. So that's the strand, the wool you are going to use to secure the hair. Please, when you are doing it, make sure the hair is not tight. Okay, just do it one, and the second time you start weaving it. And when you are weaving the hair, don't let your hair extension, which is your attachment, don't let it out to the wool you are going to use, because that is the wool you are going, depends on how you want the pushing to be. If you want the pushing to be too short, to be small like my daughter's one, so make it loose very well, so when you push it, the braid will go down very well. But if you want it to be just a little push, make it a little bit tighter than what I'm doing now. So that is what I just want to quickly explain before I leave it. You see what I'm doing now? So even if the attachment is long, by the time you push it very well, it will not become short. So, and if you want the size to be more smaller than mine, my daughter's, is optional. The size that I'm doing now is optional. Okay, it's just a school hair, and I decide to make it a little bit bigger, so you can make yours a bit tinier, and yeah, just how you want it, how you like it. Okay.
The world's my stage. I own this town. Watch me soar. No chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crime stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crime stars, my throws the day. I shine my own. I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crime stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crime stars, my throws the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. The night ignites, every shadow turns to light. Little crime stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crime stars, my throws the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crime stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crime stars, my throws the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. The road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crime stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crime stars, my throws the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. The night ignites, every shadow turns to light. Little crime stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crime stars, my throws the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crime stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crime stars, my throws the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crime stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crime stars, my throws the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. The night ignites, every shadow turns to light. Little crime stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crime stars, my throws the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crime stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crime stars, my shades can hold